EBSCO Host provides many different platforms for searching for reputable, valid information. As shown in a separate video, you can log into EBSCO Host by typing in ISPS as the user ID and password as the password. Once you're here, you can click whatever platform you would like to use to search. I'm just going to use Explorer for this example. And you can either type in what you're searching for, you can search by subject area, by general topic, or you can do an advanced Boolean search if you like, if you know how to do that. I'm just going to type in a subject at the top here. And you notice that the first resource is usually an encyclopedia entry or just giving you something of a topic overview, whatever topic you searched for. Notice that the resources come in different formats. They're videos as well as periodicals that come in either PDF or HTML full text. You have ebooks, reviews, news, articles, biographies, books and magazines, and primary source documents available for you. The difference between the HTML full text and the PDF is that the HTML full text allows you to have the resource read to you in different languages and, in different accents, and then you can also choose to translate the page in a different language if you want. The PDF full text does not allow for these features. However, both allow you to save the resource if you like in your folder, which you need to sign in first to do. Let's go to this HTML full text and I can show you what else you can do. You can also, if you're a teacher, add this resource to your Google Classroom or your Google Drive for students to access later on if it's a resource that you'd like them to access. You can add to your folder, teachers or students. You can also cite the resource. So if you click cite, it's going to cite the resource in all different formats. So APA format and MLA formats are the ones that are used in this school, but it is cited in all formats for you. You can also, if you want to access this resource later on, you'd need to, without saving it to a folder, you would need to click on permalink. If you try to cut and paste the URL and access it later, you will not be able to do that. So you must cut and paste the permalink if you'd like to access this resource at a later date without adding it to your folder. So just remember that if you'd like to add resources to your folder, you must sign in first. If you do not have an EBSCO account, you need to create one first. So create a new account and create your account before saving resources to your folder. If you try to save the resource to your folder before you create an account, it will not be available to you when you try to access it at a later time. I hope that this tutorial helped. If you have any questions, please contact a librarian.